This is the explanation of a level death benefit part of the presentation. Okay? All right, Mr. Klein, I want to talk to you about how this level death benefit works. We actually have two policies. One is increasing. That's pretty easy to understand. I'll start with that first. So you've got your cash plus a terminology. We use this terminology called net amount of risk. It's how much the insurance company is on the hook for that they have to pay the client. That equals your total death benefit. If you buy an increasing death benefit policy, this is very easy. Let's say you have a $200,000 death benefit. Our net amount of risks is $200,000, and you start the policy, you've got zero cash, right? So that's $200,000 of death benefit. Now this cash is going to grow though, so let's say this grows to $20,000. Our net amount of risk is $200,000, and so you die, we're going to pay out $220,000, right? And then let's say this grows to $50,000, it's just the same deal, right? That equals $250,000. This is pretty easy to understand. If you die, you get the $200,000, which is the net amount of risk, plus the cash. But here's what's happening. We're charging you for $200,000 of insurance coverage the whole time. Right? Remember the little bucket, the drain over here, for cost of insurance? We're charging you for $200,000 for cost of insurance. Okay, now, let's take the opposite of that. Okay. And let's say we do a level death benefit. And here's how that works. Your death benefit remains level, so it's always going to be $200,000. Pretty easy. Year one, you've got zero cash, plus the net amount of risk of $200,000 equals $200,000. Now your cash grows to $20,000. The death benefit's still $200,000, so how much is our net amount of risk? It's the 20 minus the 200, or in this case, it's $180,000. Mutual of Omaha is on the hook for $180,000. Now, down here it goes to $50,000. Our net amount at risk goes to $150,000. So here's what happens when you die. If you die right here, we're going to give you your $150,000 that we're charging you for, plus your $50,000 of cash, you'll get $200,000. So basically what's happening here is the death benefit is kind of decreasing. You've got death benefit here, cash here. As your cash grows, your death benefit decreases. Does that make sense?
Yes.
So you're paying less and less and less over time under this level death benefit. Okay?
Got it.